Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. ...2014 Ford Escape, getting ready to do a remote start on this. So the only two spots we're going to go to is the OBD2, which is right here. Going to push these in, push this back, and then this piece right here we're going to take down. You're going to remove this and knock this down because we have to get to the ignition switch over here and do our plug and play. These are the three parts we're going to be using, which is an FDK1 T-harness, CM900 brain, and blade A-all. These are the three components. Obviously there's, an antenna and remotes that come with this, but these are the three components that we're going to be using on this 2014 Ford Escape. You insert your blade into the bottom of the CM900 brain. That way you can program it. You can program it right through here, through the blue port. This is the T-harness here. Basically it comes out, and this is going to go into the ignition harness, obviously, and then T-harness off of this. Same way with the immobilizers here, and then you're going to have the OBD2 right here, which is going to T-harness off of this. So that's basically what this is going to do: ignition, immobilizer, and then OBD2 on here. So here's the ignition harness, and over here is the transponder, which is transponder here, and the ignition harness here. So we're going to T-harness both of these into these right here, so that way we can plug and play everything. Okay, so we have this one T-harnessed here. Same way right here, we have this T-harness coming off of there, and then we T-harness the OBD2 connector. You can just reach your hand back here and do the T-harness for the OBD2. Now what you're going to want to do is with this brain right here, we've already went ahead and flashed the first part of this blade, so we have to do the second part of cloning. So we're going to plug this into here and this into here, and then we're going to go through the programming instructions of part 1. So Jimmy the Amazing over here took out the whole glove box. So if you do want to wire up keyless, you're going to have to go to the BCM. That's the only way to wire it up. You can go to the kick panel, but it's probably going to be a major pain in the ass. So you're going to have to go over here. You're going to have to get the right harness, which I'll tell you which one it is, show you in the harness, and then you're going to have to tap into those wires for the actual lock and unlock wires. Okay, so here's the BCM. This plug right here, you're going to have a brown with yellow stripe and a green with like a yellowish orange stripe. Those are both your parking light wires. There's dual parking light positive wires. Then over here on this bottom plug right here, you're going to have a purple with orange stripe right there. That is one of the door locks. I think it's unlock. And then on the top here, you're going to have a gray with yellow stripe, which is right there. That is the actual lock button on the top. This blue wire, do not use it. So this is all the wires that you would want to hook up over here for the PCM. There's everything connected for the lock and unlock, and then the dual parking lights, which are positive. We connected both of the parking light outputs, which is the green with the white and the white here. They're labeled parking light positives. We ran 2 positives over there to connect them to the 2 positive parking lights. And then we plugged in our lock and unlock harness right here, which goes directly into the brain on the CM900. (2014) Ford Escape remote start by Arctic Start. We also did keyless entry on this vehicle as well.